Soundcore Nebula SpaceFlow AI Mapping Kit, the silent missing piece for real 3D projection. You set up your projector carefully. You adjusted the angle, dimmed the lights, maybe even rearranged the furniture. And still, the image sat flat. Not wrong, just never quite right. That quiet disconnect between what you imagined and what actually appeared on the wall, most people never name it. They just live with it. That gap has a cost. Not in money you can point to, but in that low-level frustration every single time you sit down to watch something and the room never really disappears. You just wanted the experience to feel complete. So here is the quiet question worth sitting with. What if the wall itself was always part of the picture? Here is what that disconnect quietly costs you over time. First, your time. Hours spent adjusting keystone, tweaking geometry, watching tutorials that assume you have either a perfectly blank white wall or a professional setup budget, neither of which most people have. Second, your energy. That low-grade exhaustion from making something work that was never designed to adapt to your actual room. Third, and this one lands somewhere deep, your sense that the experience you paid for is even possible in a normal home. There is something almost suffocating about owning powerful hardware and still feeling like the room is fighting you. You start wondering if it is the projector, the wall, or just your expectations. Change is closer than it feels right now. But the real problem was never your projector. It was what your projector could not see. This is where the Soundcore Nebula SpaceFlow AI Mapping Kit enters, and everything changes. The core mechanism is simple enough to say once and never forget. It scans your room in 3 dimensions, then tells your projector exactly how to fit the image to that specific surface. Here are 6 quiet superpowers that come with that. 1. Automatic wall scanning that builds a full 3-dimensional model in minutes, not days. 2. AI fusion mode that blends visuals into your wall's actual texture and contours. 3. Over 100 ready-to-use templates so you are never starting from a blank screen. 4. Free mode that projects cleanly within a scanned boundary with no overlap or spill. 5. Matching themed audio that makes the scene feel spatial, not just visual. 6. Setup under 10 minutes compared to the 16+ days traditional mapping requires. And yes, I tested this myself. A friend ran it on a textured brick wall, a surface most projectors completely give up on, and the visuals wrapped around it like they belonged there. Wait, that is actually allowed in a home setup? Here is what calm evidence looks like stacked in one place. Immediately, setup drops from a multi-day technical process to under 10 minutes. Weekly, your room becomes a different environment depending on which template or scene you load. Long term, you stop thinking about the projector and start thinking only about the experience. Android Authority described the output as something that looks like a professional theatrical production, coming from a home accessory. 2 users reported that textured and uneven walls, surfaces most projectors avoid, became the most impressive part of the display rather than the weakest. The broader industry consensus consistently places AI-assisted spatial projection as the next meaningful step beyond standard 4K brightness upgrades. I noticed this after 3 weeks. You stop seeing the projector in the equation entirely. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for precision mapping, 2 for template speed, 3 for full room immersion. One objection worth naming: other accessories do not scan. They guess. The Soundcore Nebula SpaceFlow AI Mapping Kit does one thing better than anything else in its category. It makes your room the display, not just your wall. That experience does not wait. The introductory pricing that launched this kit will not stay where it is, and your next movie night is closer than you think. Link in the description. First one pinned to the top. You already own a great projector. This is just the part that finally lets it see the room.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.